Ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the power of citrus. I'll show you how to make a DIY cleaner that's safe for your family, your pets, and the planet. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY citrus-based cleaner that's great for tackling sticky and gummy stains. This recipe will make around 2 cups of the citrus cleaner concentrate. When it's properly diluted, this will give you a little over 2 liters of citrus cleaner. Collect peels from any citrus fruit. Lemons, oranges, or grapefruit all work great. For this batch, I used 5 oranges. Be sure to take off any fruit pulp because it can leave a sticky residue. Add 4 cups of water to a medium-sized pot and bring this to a boil. Once the water is boiling, toss in the citrus peels. Let them hang out in the boiling water for around 15 or 20 minutes. This helps the water soak up the natural oils and cleaning powers of the citrus peels. After boiling, let the liquid cool down. When it reaches room temperature, strain the citrus-infused water. A fine mesh strainer with a cheesecloth works wonders for this. Pour the citrus-infused water into a spray bottle. Use a funnel so you don't spill anything. I recommend diluting this 4 parts water to 1 part citrus cleaner concentrate. Store any leftover citrus-based cleaner concentrate in a jar in a dark, cool place. This cleaner is great for any sticky stains like gum, jam, minor oil stains, or grease stains. This cleaner is safe to use on your carpets, upholstery, and even safe for hard surfaces. I recommend always testing a small hidden spot on your carpet or upholstery first to make sure everything's all good. If you want to learn more, check out our video on how to test for color fastness. There you have it, a natural, effective, environmentally friendly DIY cleaner for all of those sticky stains.